Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Square Online to UX-friendly appointment pages, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Square Online to UX-friendly appointment pages, start by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the Apps section in the Square dashboard. Locate and select the Square Online application. Once inside Square Online, choose the website you want to integrate. Go to the Settings tab within your website editor. Look for the Appointment Settings option in the menu. Select Connect Appointment Service to begin the integration process. A prompt will appear with options for connecting to third-party appointment tools. Choose your preferred appointment service from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. This usually involves logging into your appointment service account. Ensure you grant all necessary permissions for the integration. After authorization, return to the Square Online settings. Check that the appointment service is displayed as connected. Now, navigate to the Services tab in the Square Online editor. Add or edit the services you offer, ensuring they correlate with your appointment pages. Set any specific durations or available time slots for each service. Next, adjust your scheduling settings to allow customers to book appointments easily. Ensure your calendar is synced across platforms for real-time updates. Test the integration by visiting your appointment page from a customer's perspective. Check that all services are displaying correctly and that bookings can be made seamlessly. If necessary, make any adjustments to improve user experience. Finally, monitor your appointment bookings regularly to ensure everything functions smoothly. This completes the process of connecting Square Online to user-friendly appointment pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.